Hi, my name is Ramu. This is my wife Rani. I'm a Malaysian, wife's from India, and both of us are engineers. Living here since 2014, and it's a double-storey bungalow. So my aging father, who had difficulty in walking, we also had one room downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. Eventually my mother-in-law will also stay with us, when she's traveling from Dubai and so forth. So we decided to invest in an elevator, and more so, my wife, was carrying things up the stairs. It's also quite difficult as we all, get older. So we wanted to make sure that, we invest in a straightforward elevator. So we started doing research on the type of elevators that are there. And being engineers, we wanted something with low maintenance and high reliability. And we had studied elevators with switch gears, a lot of mechanical parts, and we also studied vacuum elevators. And that's how we found Nibav elevator. When we compared against the switchgear elevator, it required a lot of licensing, approvals, structural changes and all that. These are the things that we went through. So the challenge was the coring, because this is a 2-story house, which we're already living in. If you're building a new house, it's much more easier to relocate or place an elevator, And that was with minimal intervention in relocation, and only relocated one bulb, electrical bulb, and that's all. We didn't touch the wiring of the whole house. Everything was done in a very safe manner. But generally, I think we've used the elevator now for more than a year. I find it to be extremely useful. My wife probably feels the same.
Basically, we have around 21 steps in the double-story house. Yeah. So carrying up and down things have always been a challenge. Now I think as we're getting older or getting more tired, I really found it difficult. So once I think the elevator has been installed, I actually use the elevator to move things up or bring it down, whatever. Even it's like a full laundry also is very helpful. You don't have to carry all the 21 steps and bring it up, and kind of made life a bit easy.